All right, we are here with our client, Andrew Ashapanik. He's been with us since 2021, from the beginning, working at Walmart to quitting his job to generating over 200K with YouTube automation, and now helping current clients in our program, just assisting them to get further. Andrew, what's the key to your success?
Well, at the beginning, anyways, I was always the student who followed the strategy. I stuck to what was taught in the training. Like I said previously, I never did YouTube before. I tried to start a channel like 2017. I realized I had to do all the work and like I wasn't very good at editing or any of that stuff. So I gave up, walked away from it, came back and jumped into your training, and I didn't know how to do the settings. I didn't know how to set anything up. I was just going to ask you every question about every little thing. And so I jumped in and followed it. I went through it all the way once, which I always recommend people do because you need to understand the material first. And then you go back through it. And I was following it and creating my channel and doing everything step by step.